Hello guys and welcome to the channel. So whenever an international student plans to study abroad, there is always one concern, that is regarding the massive amount of tuition fee which they need to pay. So in this video, I will be letting you know whether a student by doing any kind of employment can he really pay the tuition fee which is charged by the university in UK. So let's straight away begin with the video. Now to just give you a basic guideline, the monthly expenses which I am assuming, which includes the accommodation prices, food costs and travel expenses, is about £700 per month in UK, which averages to £8,400 in a year. So with taking these figures in mind, I will be covering my rest of the video. For most of the cases, the tuition fees are around £15,000 and it could be higher as well. So these are the basic figures which I will be presenting you ahead of the video as well. So all the stuff which I'm going to present you now is all very much realistic and straightforward. Now, if an international student comes to UK on a degree level course, he is allowed to work a maximum of 20 hours per week. And the average student wage a student tends to earn is about £8. Now with that many hours combination and that much wage combination, in a month you can expect to earn between 700 to 800 pounds. Moreover, like for working in the night shift, maybe you're paid extra. In the restaurant, you're paid some tips out there. So let's say, however, your salary is below £1,000, and this category name is as well £1,000 salary or less per month. Now, with this amount of salary, you can really cover your monthly expenses for full year. So this much amount of money is only good for paying out your accommodation prices, your food expenses, your transportation costs, and purchasing some for example mobile data plans and stuff like that. So with this amount of money, it's really very much hard to pay your tuition fee out there. Now let's say in second category, you're earning an income of about 1,000 to 1,100 pound per month. Now this much income is really good to cover your monthly expenses, which include accommodation prices, transportation, stuff like that. And plus you can easily manage to pay 1/3 of your tuition fee. I won't say half because it's really hard to pay your half tuition fee. It's only good to pay 1/3 if you're earning around 1,000 to 1,100 pounds per month. So we have already covered two categories, but however the weather is so good, I would really like to show you and give you a view tour like how's the weather around here as well and the greenery around. Such a lovely weather out there, man. So that's like campus of Strathclyde University as well, to let you know. So you can see like they have created a wee lake around the campus, and this is my favorite place to walk as well. So now just let's stop it here and just begin with the third category after this. So now in third category, I will be letting you know if you're earning more than £1,100, how much tuition fee can you really cover. To give you a realistic figure here, £1,500 is a good amount of money to pay your half tuition fee and cover your monthly expenses. So this amount of money is really hard to earn as well. You really need some hours, extra hours to work. So I'll really recommend you to spend your holiday time doing some of the jobs which can really give you more hours to work for. Such places can also be a restaurant or a retail as well, because during your holiday vacations you're allowed to work full time. So till now, I have never told you like whether you can pay your full tuition fee or not. Now to pay full tuition fee, you really need a spare year in your course. By spare year, I mean a year with internship or a placement year. Like in my course, I've got a placement year, So placement year, you're working in a company and the amount of pay which you get is really high. It is like above, usually more than 18,000 pounds. And that amount of money, you can really cover up your entire tuition fee and as well your living expenses as well. So I would really recommend you, if your university has got such courses which has got an internship or placement year, please go for that one rather than opting an alternative one. So in this video, what I really wanted to do was to make it cut short and as much straightforward as I could, because this is the reality which really happens and the incomes which can equate it down to cover your tuition fee and monthly expenses. I hope this has given you some idea and some hope and some positive energy that how you can pay a full tuition fee and half tuition fee or 1/3. So make sure to subscribe my channel for regular updates and make sure to like this video as well. Thank you very much and have a lovely day out there.